Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize your navigation menu in Shopify Horizon theme. Let's get started. First, go to shopify.com, then click Login right here. Just enter in your email in this field, or you may also choose to log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This will lead you to your Shopify dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Online Store. Scroll down until you see the Theme Library section, which is where your Horizon theme will be located. Then click Customize right here to go to the Shopify editor. In the editor, click on the navigation menu, which will make the customization panel appear. You can customize your navigation menu starting with this style. You can choose between text only, collection images, featured products, or featured collections. And then if you did decide to click on collection images, you can adjust the image ratio right here. And you can also adjust the image corner radius. You can also adjust the product title case. You can decide if you want it default or if you want it uppercase. You can also edit the color scheme right here. And if you want to add a color scheme, just go to Theme Settings, click on Colors, and then you can make your own color scheme by clicking on this plus icon right here. You can also edit the text hierarchy. You can make it classic, inverse, or inverse large. Then if we scroll down to the primary typography, you can edit the font, the size, and the case. You can also edit the secondary typography, again the font and the case, and the tertiary typography right here. For this mobile layout, you can choose to add a navigation bar, an accordion, and dividers by just clicking on this toggle right here. And then once you click on them, you will have more options to customize right here. And after you're done customizing, just click on Save up here to save your changes. And that is how you can customize your navigation menu in Shopify Horizon theme. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.